Welcome back to our channel and thank you so much for joining us in this another day in the life of us here right on the Autistic Edge. Now remember, I told you in our previous video, we are in the festive season and school is out. We are giving Alex a little break from his regular routine. We never lose an opportunity to ensure that we get something on the learning side in for Alex Xavier. So the reality is every opportunity is a learning opportunity. So today we are in the kitchen, we are doing some work. Daddy was there cooking up a storm, I was helping him. He was the main chef, of course, and I won't take that away from him. So Alex and I are going to do a vegetable salad for our dinner, and these are little activities that you use to get them involved around the house. This is life skill. They can put their own little meal together at times if sometimes you are just tired and not able to. Once we teach them the correct way, you know, this is life and they will learn how to do things for themselves. So stay right there. We will be right back as we take you through this journey of Alex Xavier and the vegetable salad. Okay, Alex, we are going to be making, stand up, Papa. We are going to be doing a vegetable salad for dinner today, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so I have already washed our vegetables and our hands are now washed and clean. Now, in our vegetable we have, what is this? Tomato. What is this? Tomato. Say? Tomato. Very good. I like articulation there. This one is cucumber. Nice and fast. Cucumber. Nice. And this is lettuce. This is lettuce. Lovely. And we have here your favorite. You're not going to eat it out before we finish now. This is sweet corn. This is corn. Alright. You're not going to eat it out before we finish. So just wait. Alright. So the knife is very sharp. So I'm going to do the cutting for you. And then sit up, stand up. Alright, we have options for doing the cucumber, but today we are going to take the skin all off. We just want it There is a special knife for the kids to use where you can always the knife is sharp, it's good enough for vegetable, but it's soft on your skin and it's more ceramic. I'm trying to get one of that for him so that next time he'll be able to do his cucumber himself. Alright? Alright, so Alex, you want to come and try the cucumber? Come. You want to try it with the knife? Come. Stand up properly. Come. Hold it like Good. Beautiful. Alright. Put your finger in some more. Good. Nice. Alright. Hold it like that. Good. Beautiful. I love it. Alright. Now, because the knife is sharp, I don't want to risk him getting cut. But you want to do it?
Yeah, mommy.
Okay. Alright. Let me monitor you so you don't get cut. Alright, let me hold it and you do the cutting. So if anybody get the cut, me get the cut. Come. Now come stand up. I'll hold the cucumber, you hold the knife. Anybody get cut with me, alright? Cut. Alright. This one was kind of thick, Alex, so we can take it down a notch. Alright. This is our tomato. Alright, Alex, this knife is very sharp. So when I get your knife, I will allow you to cut up your tomato. So you're gonna help mommy with this one, okay? Sit back, Alex, sit back, sit back, sit back. Stand up, stand up, stand up. Very good. Alright, Alex, so now I want you to place, you're gonna bed the plate with the, what is this again? Lettuce. Lettuce. Alright, so I'm just gonna tear it. So, alright, I want you to put the lettuce in the plate. Stand up, stand up. I want you to put the lettuce in the plate. Come on. Beautiful. Where you want to put that one? Put it over there. Beautiful. We can put it a little. Alright, turn the lettuce. Alright, nice. Stand up and take a piece over there. So, okay. You ready to put the tomato in?
Yeah, no.
Alright, take the tomato. Take up a slice of tomato. Put it to the side there. Put it right beside it. Nice. Alright, you're gonna lay the tomato right around. Come on, lay the tomato. Put it right there. Good boy. Next. Nice. Come on. Now put it around here. On this side. Lean it over to this side. Lean it over to this side. Okay? Come on, put more in there. Put it this side. Put it on this side. Yes, yes, you're doing very well. Put in all the tomato. Beautiful. Around. I think I put the cucumber right around. Alright, put the cucumber right around. Put it right there. No, here. Beautiful. Go ahead. Now guys, this is punishment because Alex loves vegetables and he will eat it out any minute. Alright, ready? Put more cucumber. Put the cucumber on this side. Yeah, come put another cucumber. Put it on this side. Lean it over here. Right, nice, come on. Lean it on this side. No, lean it on this side. Put it on this side. On this side. Beautiful. Come on. Nice, I love it. Come on, put some more here. Alright, put one more here. Okay, that looks lovely. That looks lovely. Alright, so here's what you're gonna do. So alright, leave that one now. Now you're gonna use a spoon and you're gonna put some corn. What is this? Corn. So you're gonna put the corn in the middle. Put the corn in the middle.
Yeah.
No, hold on a minute. Lift up the corn. I told you this was risky, right? Okay, come on. You're gonna get it to eat when you finish. I want you to put the corn here. Calm down. You're gonna put the corn here. So this is what you're gonna do. Put the corn right there. Come on, do that. Yeah, put the corn over there. Put some more right in the middle here. You know, you can put more in there. Look like you're saving it for something. Put a little bit more here. Take your time, take your time, take your time. Just scoop from this side. Beautiful. Alex, it looks nice. Put one more down here. Ah, Alex, I love it. It looks good. So, excellent for Alex, Alex, excellent for Alex, excellent. Oh, you're quarrel because you get it done, I know. After you get it done. Alex. Oh, Alex. Over there, I bet this is something here, right? Alright? Well, I know. This was just awesome. He did very well. I was a little scary with the sharp knife, so I didn't let him do a lot of knife work today. But at a later date, when we get the correct knife for him, we will allow him to do a full one all by himself. But Alex loves vegetable, and that is so good. It's good for his health, and those are healthier. And he could not finish without grab the little bowl because that is his passion. Thank you so much for joining us today in this another episode in the life of us right here on the Autistic Edge. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you like seeing this content, tell you what, don't forget to smash that notification bell so next time we put out another content, you will be notified. Thank you.